African elephant by Ellis. My animal is an African elephant, and it is a mammal. It eats grass, leaves, and the bark of a bush and trees. My animal lives in parts of Central, Eastern, Southern Africa, and the habitat is grassland and open woodlands. The facts about my animals: the animal is the size of males can reach up to 13 feet tall and weigh up to 13,000 pounds. Females are smaller. Babies at birth weigh about 250 pounds at birth.
The Black Bear by Aaron Brodsky. The black bear is a mammal. Black bears weigh up to 200 to 600 pounds. Black bears are different colors. The black bear eats fish, roots, berries, and insects. The black bear lives in the forests and North America and sometimes travels to northern Mexico. Black bears aren't true hibernators because it wakes up and gets food.
The Atlantic puffin by Peter. My animal is the Atlantic puffin. It is a bird. It has a colorful beak. It can dive to depths of 200 feet. It can stay in the water for 20 to 30 seconds. Atlantic puffins have penguin-like. They can fly up to 55 miles an hour. They eat small fish like sand eels. My animal lives in Europe, most of the time in the Atlantic Ocean. An interesting fact is they steer with webbed feet and use their wings to swim underwater. By Sophia Meza. The type of animal I am introducing is the dingo. Its physical characteristics is a golden or reddish color. The food my animal eats is meat. The continent my animal lives in is Australia. The habitat my animal lives in is the savanna. An unusual fact about my animal is that females will kill the babies of other females. I love learning about the
Tiger by James Haskett. My animal is the Bengal tiger. It is a mammal. They are black and orange. Sometimes they could be black and white. The lifespan is 8 to 10 years. The Bengal tiger lives in India. Its habitat is tropical forest and rocky country. Bengal tigers use their body weight to bring down their prey.
Title: Emperor Penguin by Brandon Suarez. The emperor penguin weighs 20 pounds. The size of the penguin is 40 inches. Habitat: the penguin lives in Antarctica. An unusual fact you may have found: they eat silverfish, and when they are babies, they are gray, and when they are adults, they are black.
Eurasian wolf by Ali. The Eurasian wolf is a mammal. It can be white, cream, gray, or black. It eats all kinds of small animals. The Eurasian wolf lives in the forest of Asia. Interesting fact: it can run 12 miles per hour.
Giraffe by Carlos. My animal is a mammal. Its name is a giraffe. Its tongue is purple. It is about 18 feet. Its continent is from Africa, and its habitat is in the savanna. It eats a lot of leaves and grass.
The Jaguar by Cindy Nicole Vega. My animal is the jaguar. The jaguar weighs 54 kilograms.
A jaguar eats meat and grass and other plants. The jaguar can be found in South America and North America. The unusual fact is it can kill any animal mostly with its sharp teeth and sharp claws. I love my
New
animal.
Guinea Singing Dog by Ella. My animal is a New Guinea singing dog. It's in the dog family. It is a mammal. It has brown and gold fur. The singing dog weighs 20 to 30 pounds. Its habitat is the mountains. It can be found in Australia. The singing dog can also be found in New Guinea. A singing dog's howl is different than any other dogs. Wait until you hear them howl.
The polar bear by Juan Diego. My animal is a polar bear. It is 10 feet long and it eats fish and meat. The polar bear lives in Alaska, Norway. Its habitat is on ice and snow. An unusual fact about the polar bear is that it can camouflage in the snow and can go underwater for at least a minute.
Prairie Dog by Alec Dula. Prairie dogs are mammals. They weigh 1 to 3 pounds. Their body length is 12 inches. It looks like a tan brown squirrel. It is from North America and their habitat is prairies. It eats grasses, roots, seedlings, and other leafy plants. One prairie dog town was discovered in Texas in the 1900s. It was the size of the state of Maryland and was thought to contain some 400 prairie dogs in its tunnels.
My Amazing Killer of Facts by Madison Kusai. My animal is a killer whale. He is a mammal. Carnivores live up to 5 to 80 years. The size is 23 to 32 feet. The group name is a pod. The orca's continent is Antarctica. The habitat is cold waters. Orcas can be found in the polar bear region to the equator. The orca whale is in cold waters most of the time. Eats seals, penguins, fish, shrimp, and squid. Orcas are the biggest dolphin in the dolphin family, and orcas are big dolphins. Killer whales hunt in deathly pods. Family group up to 40. Mothers give birth every 10 years after 17
My animal
months.
is the African lion. The animal is a mammal. It eats meat. It can be found in Africa and India. Its habitat is very dry. Its babies are very small but heavy.